The Apple Vision Pro. Other than a quick try-on test at the Apple Store, I've not had a chance to wear this thing, try it out, see it in action, or anything at all. Let's get to this unboxing and see what it's all about. That's a big, beautiful box. Now, I don't know who started this, but I love these easy, you don't need fingernails, and friendly for everyone, although occasionally even I still need fingernails, kind of boxes that you can get open without too much effort. What I don't love is the vacuum seal that most of these have, and we'll see, this one isn't as bad as most. Yeah, it's not too bad. Now my son saw one of these and thought to himself, this is like a built-in stand for you, which it is kind of like a display stand. And you'll see right away, this comes with a cap and everything to cover the screen. It's nice, soft, hard here, feels good. And there it is, the Apple Vision Pro. Out of the box is the default band loop. Some people have complained that it's too heavy when you wear it that way. I'm gonna give it a shot, we'll find out. But there are a couple of secrets we're gonna want to talk about. Let's see what else is in the box though. That came off nice and easy. We've got the usual Apple guff, paperwork and so forth. And it comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth. I have the $20 Apple cleaning cloth. It's super thick and unwieldy. It doesn't work well. This one's nice, thin, definitely gonna do a good job of keeping this clean. And here is one of the light seals. This, along with this. I've also seen some video of people trying it without having this on at all, and they say you get a bigger field of view, but less light blockage. I think I'm gonna give it a shot, try it out. If you subscribe, you'll see about that later. Any other thoughts I might have along the way. What is this? Oh, you know, of course we're gonna have the wonderful flip book of material and art and so forth. It feels like a waste of paper to be honest, but you know, why not go for everything? And in here, we've got the dual loop band that most people are recommending for better weight distribution. It goes behind and on top. However, this one probably will mess up my beautiful hair less, so I don't know which one I'll use. And here I've been wondering about this. The new braided style cable that Apple likes to include with everything, this is USB-C, but there's a secret of when it comes to USB-C and Apple with this unit. And we also have something that's kind of hard to get out without fingernails. Wait, just go like this. Yeah, that's the Apple experience. The old style blocks, I like the Apple blocks because this comes off and you can attach longer cords and so forth in it. Also USB-C on here, and the battery. The battery is not a part of the unit, unlike the MetaQuest units. The battery's built into this. It is not built into this headset. You have it off to the side and you have a cable attached to it that plugs into here. But let's get this off of here. One secret that people found out not too recently is that if you have a SIM card ejector, like I do, you can plop it out, and we're gonna get a nice close-up of this in just a second. And the cable comes out, and if you look at that, I'm gonna go right towards this camera. As you can see right there, that's what I'm gonna call like a mega lightning connector. Just as Apple got rid of lightning, it brings it right back. And you may have heard about that, but there's one more. So let's get back to the main headset here. We're gonna take these off. I wonder if, it's in here. This is magnetically attached, also nice. Take the SIM card ejector tool and push it right into here while pulling. So here's what I would call the super duper mega lightning cable. I'm not sure if we can exactly call it a lightning connector because it's not on both sides like most lightning connectors are, but it's clear to me the purpose of this connection here and here is to transfer the power from the battery to the headset. And that is the Apple Vision Pro. Again, these just connect on magnetically. And I can't wait to turn it on and try it out. But if you want to find out more, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time. Bye.